But our top story, it was pitched as a battle between the honor and pride of one man in uniform and a system that insisted it could not be faulted. In the end, Army Chief General VK Singh ended up losing his battle against the government after the Supreme Court categorically rejected his petition in the age dispute. Still, in court, there were words of praise for the general, who was advised against resigning. But will that be enough to console him? He's fought this battle on the grounds of personal honor. Nitin Gokhale and Arunachalam Vaidyanathan have more.
The army chief lost the age battle today after the Supreme Court left him with no choice but to retreat, saying there was no scope for it to interfere. The chief should make peace with the government. The court's message to the general was clear. Wise men are those who move with the wind. But the first move was made by the government. It withdrew its 30th December order, which had rejected the army chief's plea that his year of birth should be 1951, not 1950, as the government had insisted. But after this, it was downhill for the army chief. The top court said that for such a meritorious officer to go to such an extent is an extremely unfortunate turn of events.
The court told the army chief's lawyer, "We do not doubt the chief's honesty, but all three threshold documents, UPSC, police verification and IMA record show 10th May 1950 as the date of birth, and you did not challenge the authority of the government on tenure. In 2008, you accepted the government's contention of 1950.
In fact, the court told the army chief, you were given an opportunity, you accepted it, then you became army chief. Then the government pointed out 3 instances when VK Singh had not only accepted 1950, but had said he won't contest it again. But the final setback came when the court observed that there was no scope for it to intervene. In fact, it asked the general to withdraw his petition. 40 minutes later, that's what the general did. In fact, when the Supreme Court reconvened after the lunch break, it was apparent that a stage for compromise had been set, with the Attorney General commenting that the fact that the government was resisting the general's petition was in no way a reflection of his ability to lead the army. It had also hoped and prayed that this would also not be the end of his service.
We are absolutely satisfied. The honor and integrity is restored. There was nothing more to this petition than that.
For the government, the first major legal victory in a long time. A prestige battle that the Defence Ministry and the Defence Secretary were monitoring together in the Minister's office.
The age battle became one man's fight for honor, pitting for the first time a serving army chief against the government. But finally, the court said, we are not concerned about your age. It's a matter of records, and you should settle it with the government. But now the question is the army chief's continuation in office untenable? With Siddharth Pandey and Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, Nitin Gokhale for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. NDTV.com/apps.